Okay, updating, setting this 454 in here just for a little bit of fit and form, or form and fit, or just see what has got to be done or what can be done. It's looking real good right now. A little drilling out. Hard to tell about all the clearances until the heads get back. But there's plenty of room for the oil pan. When I put a 427 and 64 Chevelle, I had to beat on the oil pan up front. I had to knock it in about a half inch or 3/4. And I also had to beat on the header over there to get past the steering linkage, or the steering thing. But this may go in there pretty doggone good. Got the carpet in. Gonna be using probably an L480E transmission, maybe an L470. But it's got a 12-bolt rear end. You're gonna have to do some cutting on it. But starting to get further along. The heads are in the machine shop. Still got to make a final decision on whether he's going to go with a carburetor or fuel injection. And I have that white 5.9, 98 5.9, true 5.9 ZJ up there for sale. It cranks and runs, but the fuel cuts off. I think it needs a fuel pump. Engine, transmission should be good. Drivetrain should be good. All the body parts except the front windshield are good. I'm asking 12 negotiable. Got 5 of the rally wheels loaded out. Grills, I've got the grill, it's good. I started parting it out, but then I don't want to mess with it. And he's got it sprayed white, so he'll be able to see where, when he takes it out, how it's lined up, and then decide how to secure it, whether drill those holes out bigger and use bigger bolts. Yeah, those small bolts aren't going to be the way he's going to attach it, whether he wants to weld it or whether drill the holes out and use bigger bolts. I think I hear the used oil man coming up the hill, going to fill up the oil tanks for the winter. Got 2 tanks outside and this tank. Yeah, get these 2 tanks filled up and the tank inside. And he's got another tank or 2 up there in the field, but I don't think we'll need it. I think we got by with 2 years with what he got in this. So gotta get a better start. There we go. pumping it down the hill. He's got enough hose.
Let me turn that off.
And while he's filling up that 2 tanks out there, we'll be pumping from that tank out there into this tank. So hopefully we'll be able to get this one full and have those 2 full out there. And then Frank said he may go ahead and get him to fill up another tank up the hill. And there's the used oil heater that all of this oil fuels. And it'll heat the whole shop. I want to start doing some of this again, but I tell you what, all the materials have gotten so expensive. This is cypress here. Got it from Norcross Supply. This is cedar. And what I would do is buy a 1x8 and cut my own strips. And I would have about $2 a piece in a 8-foot strip, 1x8, or 1x2, 8-foot long. I checked the price the other day, and these things to buy 1x8, they were, I think it's $26. To buy these, they were $6. They have gone up so much. This stuff would be so expensive. If I start doing some of this stuff again, shoot, it won't be cheap. And I did some garden gates with muscadine vines in them and lit them up with rope light. They really look good at night. Yeah, we're set with oil now, probably for at least for all of next winter. Swanee River, big shoals,